there. So let's show you how to use the BlinkSlides API to automate all of your slide deck generation from your past decks going forward. So it's incredibly simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign up here, but since I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in. Please note that currently there's a wait list, so when you sign up, you will be put on the wait list, and when you get accepted, you will get an email with your API key. But for my sake, I already have an API key here to do some testing with. So the first thing you're going to need to do is create some templates. And these templates are going to be what is used to rebuild and rewrite your decks to build into new ones. So what's going to happen is the text is going to be replaced, the images are going to be replaced, but all the formatting and branding that you have is going to remain intact. So you can generate any new deck with any new information in any style that you like. So this is how you do it. It's a simple post HTTP request to our API, as you can see right here, with the file and the name as a string. And currently it's 5 megabytes max, just to keep things running quickly in the back end. So once you create your deck, or once you create your template, you're gonna hit this API endpoint, and you'll be able to pull all of your template slides. But for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to show you it in the dashboard. And after we've created a template, we're going to use this endpoint where we upload a simple prompt, and then we provide our template ID, and it'll rebuild our deck. And we have the same polling status to get to that deck download link once it's finished. It usually takes about 3 minutes for the longer decks. All right, so let's go to the dashboard and try this out. Okay, so the next step is to actually create the template that will be used to rebuild into your new decks. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload that template here by pressing Upload New Template. And what this does is this triggers the API call for Create Template. Now, to make it easy, we're just going to showcase this baked into the UI, but it's the same exact HTTP request behind the scenes. So I recommend going to slidesgo.com and grabbing one of their templates to use if you don't have something you love right away. So I already did this earlier, but what I would do is I would press download, and it would be about, and it might be over 5 megabytes, but no worries. Take it to WeCompress.com, and it'll bring it under that 5 in no time. So once you bring it back, press Upload New Template, and then for reference, it started out as 14.8, and after the compression, it was 2.18 megabytes. So you're going to want to upload that one, and it'll start creating the deck right away. And it does create 5 slides at a time to templatize. So you'll see 5 slides at a time pop up right here. So here's what it looks like when it's starting to templatize the slides. You'll see that the images haven't popped up yet, so it's not quite done. But this is completely normal. Oh, and there we go. Looks like it finished up. So now we have our templatized slides right here. Cool. So let's build a deck. Go up to Generate New Deck right here. This is going to hit that Generate Deck endpoint. So you're going to want to grab your new template ID, go to Generate Deck, put it in there, and then I already have a template ready to go, but here's my pitch deck outline. You can do something as simple as one quick sentence that says, make me a deck about Q4 sales, and it still will, it just won't be as good. I like to do an outline, and then hit Generate Deck. Deck generation started, it'll get you this project ID, which when you're using the API, you'll be able to use GET requests against this project ID. So now you'll see that the project is right here with that project ID, but what the system is doing now is it's making these get deck status requests and waiting for that link to deck to populate. And once the link to deck populates, they'll be able to download it. So once that link to deck is ready, it'll pop up right here. It usually takes a few minutes. Okay, it looks like that download link has arrived. For reference, it took about 3 minutes for 15 slides. So let's see what it came up with. Okay, this is pretty good. This definitely would have taken a while to put together myself, definitely more than 3 minutes. So I personally think this is really helpful. Hopefully you do too. If you have any questions about this API, let me know in an email to contact@blinkdaily.com or in the comment section. Thank you very much.